dear students, in this video we will study about cubic polynomial. Let's see. In cubic polynomial, degree is 3, then there will be 3 zeros, and let alpha, beta and gamma are zeros of a cubic polynomial p of x. Alpha, beta और gamma cubic polynomial p of x के 3 zeros है. Let cubic polynomial is ax square plus ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d. Then alpha plus beta plus gamma is equal to minus b by a. And what is it? Alpha plus beta plus gamma, sum of zeros, and it is equal to minus coefficient of x square divided by coefficient of x cube. Now alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha is equal to c by a, and this alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha is sum of प्रोडक्ट ऑफ टू जीरोज टेकन टुगेदर. मीन्स ये सम है किसका, जब हम दो जीरोज को एक साथ लेके उनका प्रोडक्ट करते हैं और प्रोडक्ट करने के बाद हम ऐड करते हैं वो, दैट इट इज इक्वल टू कोफिशिएंट ऑफ x डिवाइडेड बाय कोफिशिएंट ऑफ x क्यूब. नाउ अल्फा बीटा गामा इज इक्वल टू माइनस डी बाय ए, एंड इट इज इक्वल टू प्रोडक्ट ऑफ जीरो मीन्स माइनस कॉन्स्टेंट टर्म डिवाइडेड बाय कोफिशिएंट ऑफ x क्यूब. नाउ हाउ इट गोज, प्लस माइनस ए, जहां भी ए होगा वो प्लस, जहां भी बी होगा वो माइनस, जहां भी सी है वो प्लस, जहां भी डी है वो माइनस. दिस इज अबाउट दिस. एंड इफ अल्फा बीटा गामा आर गिवन एंड वी हैव टू फाइंड और वी हैव टू फॉर्म a cubic polynomial, then how can we write it? If alpha beta gamma are zeros of a cubic polynomial p of x, then this p of x is equal to k into x cube minus alpha plus beta plus gamma x square plus alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha into x minus alpha beta gamma, means x cube plus this is of minus plus minus, alternatively plus minus sign will come, and this is about cubic polynomial. Now we will do some questions related to this. Our question is, if the zeros of a polynomial, a polynomial is given x cube minus 3x square plus x plus 1 and its zeros are given. If it is a cubic polynomial, the number of zeros will be 3 and zeros are a minus b, a and a plus b. We have to find a and b. For it, let's see what is given, a minus b, a plus b. If we add all these three, what we will get? 3b, 3a, मीन्स यहाँ से b कैंसिल आउट हो जाएगा. अगर हम यहाँ पर इसका सम ऑफ जीरोस फाइंड आउट करेंगे तो हमें यहाँ से a की वैल्यू मिल जाएगी, क्योंकि हमें यहाँ पे a और b की वैल्यू फाइंड आउट करनी है. तो यहाँ से हम ये ट्रिक लगाएंगे कि हम क्यों ना इसको ऐड करेंगे. देन व्हाट वी विल डू, लेट p of x is equal to x cube minus 3x square plus x plus 1. Now we will find sum of zeros and product of zeros. Sum of zeros, we know the formula, minus b by a. Then from where this a and b will come, for this we will compare it with standard cubic polynomial. Compare. Question is given, if the zeros of polynomial x cube minus 3x square plus x plus 1 are a minus b, a and a plus b, find a and b. What is given? A polynomial is given. Because it is a cubic polynomial, then number of zeros will be 3. And what are its zeros? A minus b, a and a plus b. Now we have to find the value of a and b. We will use a trick. If we add all these, what we will get? We will get 3a. From here we can get the value of a. So for this we will find sum of zeros. How we will find? Let's continue. Let p of x is equal to x cube minus 3x square plus x plus 1. Now compare it with ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d. We will find the values of a, b, c and d. So a is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 3, c is equal to 1, d is equal to 1. Now we will find sum of zeros. Sum of zeros is equal to minus b by a. And what are its zeros? A minus b plus a plus b is equal to minus of b minus 3 divided by 1. Minus b plus b cancel out. A plus a, 2a, 2a plus a, 3a is equal to minus plus 3. A is equal to 3 by 3. A is equal to 1. From here we get the value of a. Now we have to find the value of b. What we can do, if we multiply all these, what we will get? A square minus b square into a. And what is the value of a? 1. So on putting the value, we will get this. And this is equal to product of zeros. From here we can find the value of b. So what we will do, we will find product of zeros. So product of zeros is equal to minus d by a. And what are its zeros? A minus b into a plus b, minus, what is the value of d? 1. A, 1 means we will get minus 1. And what is the value of a? We will put the value of a here. A minus b means 1 minus b into 1, 1 plus b. What we will write? Because a is equal to 1. Now what we will do? 1 minus b square is equal to minus 1. Minus b square is equal to minus 1. This plus 1 will become minus 1. Minus b square is equal to minus 2. Minus minus cancel out. B is equal to square root of 2. But plus minus root 2. Then what will be the values of a? So a is equal to 1 and b is equal to plus minus root 2. This is our answer. One more important type of questions of cubic polynomial. What is given? Find the zeros of the polynomial p of x. We have to find the zeros of this p of x cube minus 5x square minus 16x plus 80. If its two zeros are equal in magnitude but opposite in sign. What is its condition? Its two roots or zeros are equal in magnitude. What is the meaning of equal in magnitude? Means they are having same numerical value but having opposite sign. So how we will solve it? Let's see. What is given? P of x is equal to x cube minus 5x square minus 16x plus 80. Then we will consider it zeros. Let alpha, beta minus alpha. Because 0 is opposite to equal in magnitude but opposite in sign. So these will be its zeros are zeros of p of x. So what we will find? Again we will find sum of zeros. How? If we add these, we will get cancel out, we cancel out, they will cancel out each other, we will get beta only. So sum of zeros is equal to minus of coefficient of x square. And what is the coefficient of x square? Minus 5 by coefficient of x cube minus of coefficient of x square. 1 minus is given in formula and 1 minus is here in statement, and it is equal to, and sorry, divided by 1. And here sum of zeros is alpha plus beta plus minus alpha is equal to 5, and alpha plus beta minus alpha is equal to 5. Alpha minus alpha cancel out, so beta is equal to 5. We get value of beta. Now what we have to find? We have to find value of alpha. Again what we will do? We will find its product. Product of zeros is equal to minus of constant term. And what is its constant term? 80 divided by coefficient of x cube means 1. Product of zeros, alpha into beta into minus alpha, and it is equal to minus 80. Plus minus minus. Alpha square. What is the value of beta? 5. Minus 80. Minus minus cancel out. Alpha square is equal to 80 divided by 5. Alpha square is equal to 16. Alpha is equal to square root of 16. We will get alpha is equal to plus minus 4. Alpha 4 भी हो सकता है और alpha minus 4 भी हो सकता है. So zeros are, what is alpha? X means 4, beta 5, and minus of alpha means opposite of it means minus 4. Or if alpha is equal to, it is the case if alpha is equal to 4, and if alpha is equal to minus 4, then zeros will be minus 4, 5 and 4. This is our answer.